Spinning top is a single candlestick pattern which have power to change the downtrend of a market into uptrend without taking help of any indicator like RSI or MACD. It's very much powerful. In today's video, I am going to discuss you the psychology of the creation of this single candlestick pattern, and also as a bonus, I am going to give you one unique method. By using that, you can make your trade more profitable and you can avoid so much trap. Let's start share bazaar ki chopal with Arvind sir. Bullish spinning top. This pattern is basically a single candlestick pattern. That means it's created by only one pattern. Let's understand the psychology of this pattern first. The stock name is SBI, State Bank of India. Starting price was 820. That means it's the opening price. Seller was here. They push the share down, start selling, and price come to this level 800. That means this is the low price. But buyer was here because it's a support here. Buyer was here. They start buying and price came to 850. That is the high price of that day. But in the evening, price start getting down. Seller starts selling and price close to 830. That means this is the opening price, low price, close price and high price. As a psychology, what you have seen here, ki the power of buyer and power of seller both are in same place. That means in next candle when it start, it will be depend who is more powerful in both, because here both are the same. Second thing, the difference between closing price and opening price should be lower than the week. For example, distance here is 10 rupees. That means the lower week or upper week, it should be at least 10 is to 1.5. 10 is to 1.5 at least. So this type of pattern, psychology here, buyers and seller both are same, both have the same power. That's why market close here near the opening price. When the next candle will create, then it will decide the trend of the market. This candlestick pattern known as a bullish spinning top, if it creates on a downtrend. Downtrend means we have to remember four things. First, before using it, if you see this type of candlestick pattern, when market was in downtrend, downtrend means at least 7 to 8 candle should be red, right? Second, when you have seen this pattern, you just check what is the MACD status, should be greater than 0 line. Third, that time RSI should be greater than 50, and of course the volume should be increasing. If you see this, there will be downtrend, MACD, RSI and volume, and when you see this type of pattern, you just mark the up line, mark the down line. When a candle close above the upline and when next candle close above the next follow-up candle, then we are going to buy here and lower should be the stop loss. This is the main theory behind this candlestick pattern. But as you are aware, single candlestick pattern, we should never use it alone, and we can see many traps, because if you see in the chart also, there was downtrend, but you can see this type of pattern here also, you can see this type of pattern here also, you can see this type of pattern here also. So where we are going to trade? So much confusion, na? But This pattern we are going to trade. Why? Because it's created on the support level, MACD above than 0, RSI above than 50, and volume is start increasing here after downtrend. But we are going to teach you one unique method. By using that, you can avoid this type of trap. You can avoid it. We are not going to trade this type of trades. We are going to trade only a profitable trade when we are going to check that pattern on our unique method. So let's start. Open the trading view chart. We have opened the trading view chart. In that chart, what we are going to do, there is one indicator, that is the volume indicator already placed here. Now we are going to add two more indicator. First indicator, moving average exponential, and the second indicator we are going to find here spinning top, SPI, spinning top white. Then we are going to close it. In the EMA 19, we will change it. The value should be changed. It should be 50. We are going to input and it should be 50. In style, we are going to change like this. Now it's clear. So this is the line. We are going to hide it. Now what you have seen, STW means spinning top white. White means green normally. This week spinning top white. How we are going to trade? There are so many spinning top. If you see, this is the spinning top. 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 Spinning top means this type of candle. This type of candle. This is the spinning top. But our rule should be like this. When we see the spinning top on the trading view, we are going to mark one line on top of the spinning top, one line on below of the spinning top. Now, we are not going to take any trade here. We will wait when the next candle or after 4 or 5 or 6 candle, if any green candle touch the 50 EMA, this green candle, this is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10th candle has touched the 50 EMA. We are going to mark the high and low of that green candle. When the next candle form above that candle, then this is our entry point. Spinning top low should be our stop loss and target should be 1:1. This is the best way to trade the spinning top pattern. In our method, this is the 50 EMA. When you see the spinning top below the 50 EMA, it's very nice to trade. Whenever you see the spinning top below 50 EMA, like here, not here, it's also above the. Let's check another example. For example, let's check the Tata Steel. When you see this spinning top, we are going to trade. We are going to mark one line above this, mark one line below this. This is our high, this is our low. When the next candle creates above the high, this is the high. We are not going to take trade here. When the next candle formed above this candle body, then we are going to take entry here. The low point of that spinning top should be our stop loss and target should be 1:1. We are going to use the 50 EMA as support, and when that spinning top creates below 50 EMA or near 50 EMA, we are going to trade it like it. This is the spinning top, is near 50 EMA. We are going to mark this. We are going to take the trade here because next candle formed above that high. We are going to trade here, entry here, and stop loss should be our this here. 1:1 should be our target. So this is the way. Now we can find it in another stock also. ETH, Ethereum. We will see the spinning top here. we'll mark here. When the price close, we are going to take the trade here. Okay, but normally when you see the spinning top, we can also see another candlestick pattern. If, for example, this is the spinning top, this is the spinning top, but there is no any candle touches the 50 EMA. After that, this is the hammer candle, this is the hammer candle, so many candles formed. Then we are going to trade this hammer candle. This candle close above the 50 EMA. Any follow candle made above that candle, so we are going to take the stop loss here, entry here, target should be 1:1. So this is the way of making trade by using 50 EMA and spinning top pattern. It's a very powerful pattern, but there should be a downtrend, volume should be up, MACD line should be above the zero line, and RSI should be above 50 marks before using that spinning top. Hope you understand. Please subscribe this channel and also share this channel. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.